Today we're going to talk about installation instructions for light truck cab rack and crossbody toolbox combos. This applies to all trucks except Toyota Tacomas and any other trucks that have a built-in bed rail system. Before we get started, some things that we need to discuss are safety hazards and safety considerations. Some of the hazards include sharp edges, pinch points, heavy objects, and power tools. This is a two-person installation. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the parking brake engaged. Always wear safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves. Ensure the area is clear of objects, hands, fingers, etc. The tools and parts required include a tape measure, high-speed steel 3/8 drill bit, a 7/32 Allen wrench, 9/16 wrench, socket and ratchet are preferred, a Sharpie, a vacuum, and the ProTech mounting kit, or you'll need to purchase the following. Instructions. First, inspect your products. Make sure they meet quality expectations, are what you ordered, and meet the dimensional requirements of your truck. Number 2, place the cab rack on the bed rails of the truck. Push it as close as possible to the cab of the truck. Set the crossbody box on top of the cab rack, flush with the ends of the cab rack feet. Number 3, ensure both products fit properly. Proper fit is achieved when the cab rack is flush with the front of the bed and the feet of the rack align with the bed rail. Acceptable tolerance is within 1/8 inch on each side between the cab rack leg and the inside of the bed rail. The box should be set in the truck bed on top of the cab rack legs, centered left to right relative to the cab rack legs, and flush with the end of the cab rack legs. Note, there will likely be a gap between the back of the box and the face of the cab rack. Number 4. If there is a ProTech nameplate on the side of the box, make sure the box is installed with the nameplate facing towards the rear of the truck. Number 5. In the next step, you will be drilling through the cab rack, crossbody combo, and your truck bed rail in order to attach the fasteners. Drilling through these can be dangerous. Please ensure your area is clear and your hands are not near the area when drilling. Number 6, identify and measure the mounting points on the underside of the bed rail. Make sure you are clear from any bed rail cover, mounting bracks, or anything else that you do not want to drill near or through. Mark your spot inside the box with a Sharpie in 2 places on the left and right of the box. This is where it will be mounted to the rail. Note, this step is critical. You will drill through the bed rail, rack, and box in the next step, so make sure the placement and measurements are correct. Number 7. Use a 3/8 drill bit to drill top to bottom through the box, cab rack leg, and truck rail. Drilling through these can be dangerous. Please ensure your area is clear and your hands are not near the area when drilling. Number 8. Insert one 3/8 by 1 1/4 inch stainless steel button head bolt with a washer from the top through the box, leg, and rail. Then tighten the 3/8 lock nut onto the bolt under the rail using a 7/32 Allen wrench on the bolt and a 9/16 wrench on the nut. Tighten to the torque spec of 25 foot-pounds. Number 9. Repeat steps 3 through 8 on the opposite bed rail. Number 10. Now that your new combo is bolted down by a single fastener on each side, drill and install a second bolt on each side, following steps 4 through 8 for the 2 additional mounting points. Number 11. Confirm all 4 bolts are securely tightened. Number 12. Remove any remaining Sharpie marks with rubbing alcohol or a clean rag. Use a vacuum to remove all metal shavings to prevent rust and debris buildup. For any questions, fitment issues, or assistance, please contact our customer service team at 800-443-6153 or use the information on your screen. Thank you for choosing ProTech Industries. We hope you enjoy your new combo on your truck.